Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Quaisha, but you guys can call me Quay. I created this channel to have a place just for me. I am a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 children, a 2-year-old son and a 7-year-old daughter, and I have a husband, and all of them are messy. And they require a lot from me, and it can be a lot sometimes. So this is for me, and this is a way to incorporate them into something that is for me. On this channel, I'm going to say you're going to see things related to my lifestyle, beauty, and motherhood. Yeah, also I do DIYs, but this particular video is not about any of that. It is in the lifestyle category, but it's a clean with me video. Like, I'm the person that if you move off the chair, I'm probably coming right behind you and I'm fluffing those pillows and I'm putting them back in place. It's not to be rude, that's just kind of how I am. But I am super excited to bring this content to you. My first video, my baby on my channel. I hope you guys like it. Comment below, subscribe, of course, subscribe. And click that bell so that when I do post, when I do find the time, I'm pretty sure I will, because I feel like I'm gonna like this. But when I do post, you'll be notified. So without further ado, here is my messy home that I'm almost embarrassed about. But yeah, get your broom, get your mop, get your bucket, and get your butt over here and watch this video, get motivated, and come and clean with me. Okay guys, I know I looked a sweaty mess in that previous scene, but it matches my house. Okay, so you'll see the family room. You'll see the mess that my little man leaves all the time. All right, let's head over to the kitchen. And don't judge me, don't judge me. Okay, there are dishes in the sink, stuff all over the island, like unnecessary foolishness. But let's get started. And I know y'all are gonna think I'm crazy, like, what is she doing? But when I am straightening my family room, I start off by taking out all the cushions and the pillows and fluffing them and looking to see what's behind, because again, my 2-year-old just destroys everything and leaves so much stuff behind. I'm pretty sure I am bound to find some stuff behind these cushions. So I lift each and every one of them up, and then I proceed to put all my pillows back on the couch. I know some of you guys are gonna be like, what is she doing spraying that on her chair? But y'all, it is flu season. I do not have time for sick babies, nor myself. These blocks were a Christmas gift, and boy, were they a bad idea. I literally pick these things up every day. Every day. finally got this puzzle, I had so many high hopes of this actually staying organized, but that didn't happen. Not one bit. I don't even know if all the pieces are there. And if you're wondering what I'm doing, there's a little toy organization thing back there. Somewhat kinda not really organized, but it's a place to put those toys that are only gonna get pulled right back out. I have to laugh because I know I need a new vacuum. Maybe my husband doesn't think so because it picks the dirt up, but mama needs to upgrade, okay? But she gets the job done. I like to vacuum my carpet or my rug. I like to go one way and then the other. It gives my carpet my rug a certain look. I know that's weird, but it's just my thing and it's what I like to do. And I know here I'm kind of out of camera view, but I'm basically just dusting off with some furniture polish. My TV console, it was mighty dusty. Here you'll see me sorting out these little baskets I have under this console table. We throw everything in here, like clothing, shoes, socks, toys that needs to go upstairs, so I'm just sorting it out. And excuse my house for looking so empty, guys. We just took down Christmas decorations, and right before Christmas, I literally finished painting my downstairs and kind of changed my entire look, so we haven't even finished decorating from that. So right now she's kind of bare, but bear with me. So here we are in the kitchen. I like to wash my sink out, because sometimes it has a little cast of white stuff, I guess from calcium and stuff in your water. So I like to scrub that with a little brush and maybe some dish soap or a degreaser or something like that. And just kind of scrub my sinks and let it sit while I am clearing off the counters. fresh, clean space. It almost looks like I don't even have kids or a husband. I am definitely excited and very proud with how everything turned out. I hope this gives you the motivation that you need to get up and clean. A clean space is everything. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.